Hi, we're Charlotte and Perry. We travel around the UK, Europe and worldwide, visiting various different attractions, zoos, theme parks and cruises. We hope you enjoy this video and thank you for watching. We've arrived in the Doubletree Hilton apartments. So we are right next to Warner Brothers Studio and the Warner Brothers Hotel. And because the Warner Brothers Hotel is a Hilton and this is a Hilton, the difference is that we have like a kitchen area, so that if we want to cook ourselves some lunch or dinner we can. But the hotels are actually connected via a walkway, which is interesting. So yeah, so this is an apartment hotel. As you can see, we've got a fully equipped kitchen. So when you come to the UAE, it's not like, you know, in Europe where you can go to all-inclusives. Here, we're going to source our own dinner. So we've got breakfast, which will be in the sister hotel next door. But because we've got to sort out our own dinner, it might get quite expensive if we're going to eat in restaurants every night. So at least we've got the option, if we want to make some food here. I'm not sure if we will, but we'll have to see how the next 10 days goes. So yeah, so we've got a nice big living room, which is good. I'm hoping this is a smart TV. It doesn't look good though, because that's not, it's not got Netflix on the remote. But hopefully I can still suss out how I can put my YouTube on the telly. See how it goes. So yeah, so we've got nice big living area. We've got a bit of a dining table. There's a fridge in there. There's actually even a cupboard under there. But yeah, so we've got some waters. Be good for the put beside the bed. Plant bottles, lovely jubbly. Plant-based bowls.
Espresso.
English breakfast tea, so we might have to buy a little bit of milk.
And some green tea, so I'm sorted.
Yeah. So yeah, so we've got plenty of wardrobe space for me and Charlotte.
Don't think we're going to use it all, there's loads.
Yeah, bed looks big enough.
Looks cosy.
The view's not saying, oh, we've got a little bin, recycle and non-recycle. I'm not sure about the position of this table. There we go.
Really?
So yeah, so with the porter, brought our bags to the room. So the porter's just been. We had an interesting journey here because the taxi driver said that he's never driven down this way before and that he's quite new, and he got slightly lost.
We had a nice grand tour of the car park.
Yeah, we
Bless
went
him.
around Warner Brothers car park a couple of times, and then we landed up here. But from the airport to here is 15 minutes. There's like no traffic at this time of the morning, and to be fair, I don't think there's ever that much traffic around here anyway because it's still quite a new location. So the views, checked in. I'm probably going to unload my bag a little bit, and then we're going to go and explore, have a look at the swimming pools and go to the hotel next door and yeah, wander.
So this is the corridor that joins Doubletree and the Warner Brothers Hotel together.
Morning, everyone.
So we've just been and had our buffet breakfast. So we're staying at the DoubleTree Hilton, and right next door is the WB Warner Brothers Hilton. They're both Hiltons, so they're connected. So the swimming pools are connected. There's a walkway that we can walk over to the hotel next door. So we walked over there this morning. We had our breakfast, which is the same place we went last night, and for our buffet dinner, which was amazing.
It was really good.
Really
so was
good.
the breakfast as well, to be fair.
So the food's great. I'm a fussy eater, and it's no problems at all for me to eat, so which is good. So there's a sandstorm outside today. We had kind of thought today might be the day we went to the water park. We also was interested to find that the water park has a lot of construction work going on because they're bringing in something like
expanding it by 50% or something.
Something like 18 new water rides are going to be opening once it's
It
done.
looks really good once it will be done.
Yeah, but it's still open. You can still go over there. However, due to the sandstorm, it's windy. The skies are very murky. The sun's not coming through because of all the sand. So we're going to go to the Warner Brothers theme park instead, because that's all indoors and it's one of the other parks to do.
It's literally like a couple of minutes, not even that, walk from
Yeah.
where we are at
So
the moment.
if you're coming to Yas Island, literally everything is so much closer than I expected.
Yeah,
So like
literally, I didn't
the shopping
realise.
mall is 10-minute walk away. The Ferrari World is connected to the mall. The water park and Warner Brothers are like a 2-minute walk from the hotel. Everything is so close. The only thing that's maybe a bit further away is if you're going to go to like the arena or the Formula One track.
Which they've got plenty of like
shuttle buses
around.
So the next clips will probably be from inside Warner Brothers. Just so you know, we've bought a 4-day pass, which gives us 6 days to use the 4 theme parks. So within the next 6 days, we'll go to all 4 theme parks. You can't go to the theme park more than once. You can't go to 6 days worth of theme parks. It just means that if you want to
out the 4 days to go to one of the
so if you want to have a rest day in between. So we're probably going to actually do 4 days in a row of parks. But we'll let you know if we're going to have a break in between. We might actually have a Saturday, we might have a break, and then Sunday we might do. Depends how the sandstorm goes, to be fair.
We've never experienced one before, so yeah.
Warner Brothers, off we go.